Okay, so now we've got a handful of parts. Now we need to actually go in and use the nail file to sand them down and make sure that they're nice and smooth, ready for the final assembly. So let's grab our nail file, let's grab our parts and get filing. So I'm gonna do the first part with you just to show you how we like to do it. So as you can see, we identify the joint that needs to be done. We place the nail file down on the ground and we just run it a couple times, and then we check it, run our finger along. Okay, there's still bumps. Run it along again once more. We can go forwards and backwards. Again, check it once more, and we repeat this process. This just makes sure that we're not taking off too much when we're running it along the nail file, because we don't want to file off too much material. We just want to file off enough. As you can see, that is quite soft, but I can still feel a little bit of bumps. So we're going to do it just a little bit more. And then we're going to check it and make sure it's nice and smooth. And once we're happy, we can move on. So as you can see, we've got one more up here. Again, run it along. Watch your fingers, as we don't want to sand your fingers. And then check it and make sure it's nice and smooth. Once we've done all the joints on the part, this part is now complete, and we can put it in a new pile where we're going to put all the completed parts. As you can see, sometimes the joints that we can't get to by placing the nail file on the ground, so then we just use the nail file like a normal nail file and just hold the part with one hand and brush backwards and forwards with the other hand with the nail file. Although it is ideal to place it on the ground, because then we get a nice flat edge. Once all the parts are done, we've got one more part that we need to do, which is the motherboard, the top 2 connections, and we just need to sand these straight. So what we're going to do is hold it and then just sand the edge. Now it's really crucial that you don't take off too much here, so you just want to file a little bit and then check it with your finger, file a little bit, and rinse and repeat this method. Once you're happy with it, you can then do the other side. Once all the parts are done, we can move on to the next video where we're going to actually assemble the console.